Yeah, I would file it online, and of course, I'm sure in your filing cabinet you have a folder for car purchases and car sales that you want to keep for a few years and make sure you don't have anything haunting coming back at you.
Okay, team. Sorry, I started at 6:17, but I was on the phone with my mother.
Mama's boy.
And she didn't know I was out crushing it. So my wife is just alone. I'm probably about to. Am I dropping you off right now?
I'll hang out.
She's coming. She's hanging out. Started much later than I would have liked. I sold a car today. Sold our 2010 Prius that it was still a serviceable car, but it had seen better days.
One of the Prii grew up and moved out.
Yeah, he moved out of the house.
Of his own now. Left the Prius family.
He left the flock, and now it's just Papa and Mama Prius left at home. So he went and got a job and moved out. He was doing nothing here. He was literally just sitting in the backyard bumming off of us.
Sometimes you gotta kick them out. It's for their own good.
Speaking of which, I need to take it off my insurance. That's everything? Okay, thank you. I will be there in 4 minutes, and I will leave it at the door as you have asked. Hey, does anyone else have a problem getting the food in the DoorDash bag? Is it just me? I'm freaking struggling. I got a big full bag and I'm trying to pry it open. Is it just me? Can you just leave me a comment and let me know that I've got some issues if you don't have this problem, or do you also feel the same way when you're trying to get food in the bag? We've been out for 2 hours, 25 minutes. We've made $59. We're doing all right. We're at just over $75 right now. 3 hours and 20 minutes, so we're just under 25 an hour. Still not terrible. Like, I've definitely done worse. Thursday, it's not the Super Bowl yet, but starting to pick up. Had a couple larger orders. This is probably the longest delivery I've ever taken, only because it was paid a little over 12 bucks. I figured, the traffic's dying down, which it kind of did, but I wasn't able to take too much off of the delivery time. And now I'm in a different dash area, and it used to be whatever dash area you were in, it would just give you dashes in that area. Like, it would just reward you for the fact that you had crossed over into enemy territory, and it would start giving you orders in that area. But I'm not sure. I'm pretty far from home. I hope it does the same for me now. Alright, I think it's gonna be my last order. I was almost gonna drive home, but this one was $11. So I figured, I'll stay out. Food was ready on time. I walked in. It was actually finished 10 minutes early. So we're gonna chalk that up to a victory. Okay, it is 10:31. We are back safely in the driveway. I finished a little bit later than I normally do, only because I started a lot later than I normally do. Like I said earlier, I sold a car today. Made way more doing that than I did doing this tonight, but it's all about the residuals, right? Gotta keep grinding, keep working. Good news, it was fairly profitable. It wasn't super great. The second hour, I felt like I was sitting there for at least 15 or 20 minutes at one point without getting an order. But alas, let's go inside, we'll do the math. Hey team, I'm in the house. I look like I'm French. I'm still wearing my scarf. Here's my earnings for tonight. Not terrible, not great. Just kind of, just a normal night. Didn't have anything super awesome happen. Only had 2 double dashes. The rest was just one order at a time. Pretty ho-hum. Nothing really to complain about or praise, really. Just a ordinary night. I was out 4 hours and 14 minutes for an hourly total of $22.06. Pretty good. Like, all around today was pretty awesome. Tomorrow's the Super Bowl. Friday and Saturday. If you don't have a dash scheduled, get one scheduled. It's happening. All right, guys, thank you so much for your support. Go ahead and like this video if you haven't already. If you're not subscribed, click that subscribe button. God bless. Have a great night.